Have you ever wondered how successful businesses craft their strategies? Well, the business model canvas is a powerful tool designed to help you visualize, understand, and even revolutionize your business model. So get ready to learn about this essential framework. Hi and welcome to my channel. Here I talk about business plan, strategy, and finance. In this video, we explore the business model canvas. So stay tuned and imagine the business model canvas as a blueprint for your business. It is a virtual chart made up of 9 key building blocks. So the 9 key building blocks are the customer segment. So in this place, you're asking the question, who are you selling to? This could be a broad group like fitness enthusiasts or a specific niche like event runners. Then the value propositions. What problem do you solve or what need do you fulfill for your business? How are you unique and better than your competitors? In this place, you are asking the problem that you solve and the need you fulfill for your customers. And what makes you unique to stand out among all those other people that are offering the same service and selling the same product as you? Then we have the delivery channel. How do you reach your customers and deliver your value proposition for them? Is it through a physical store, an online platform, or a combination of both, or you have some other special way of delivering your value to your customers? And next is the customer relationship. What kind of relationship do you want to build with your customers? Do you offer self-service options, personalized interactions, or a mix of both? Next, we have the revenue streams. How does your business make money? Is it through product sales, product subscription, advertising, or a combination of several ways of generating funds? Next, we have the key resources. What essential asset does your business need to function? This could be a physical resources like equipment, intellectual property like patents, or human resources like skilled employees. Next is the key activities. This is about the most important actions your business needs to take to deliver your value proposition for your customer. Is it manufacturing, content creation, software development, or something else entirely? Next, we have the key partnerships. Who are your critical suppliers and partners? Do you rely on vendors, distributors, or strategic alliances to operate your business effectively? And lastly, in the 9 building blocks is the cost structure. What are the biggest expenses your business incurs? Understanding your cost helps you to optimize pricing and resource allocation. So here we have it, the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. Starting from the customer segment, value proposition, delivery channel, customer relationship, revenue streams, key resources, key partnerships, and key activities, and lastly, the cost. So, the business model canvas is a game changer because it allows you to do two things. Number one is that it helps you to clearly define your business model. It forces you to think through every aspect of your business, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The second thing the business model help you to achieve is in strategizing and innovation. By visualizing your model, you can identify new opportunities and brainstorm ways to improve existing processes. Lastly, it helps you to adapt quickly. The canvas is flexible. You can easily test new ideas, pivot your strategy, and adjust to changing market conditions. So now the next is, how do you use this business model canvas? Well, you're going to start filling the business model canvas from the right hand side. Customer segment, value propositions, channels, and customer relationship are all about understanding your customers and creating value for them. Then you go again from the left hand side. Key resources, key activities, and key partnerships. Focus on how you deliver that value in a practical way for your customers. Lastly, you go to the bottom and then you address your financial aspects, key revenue streams and cost structure. So I have an example for us that we're going to look at. The name of the business is Subscription Box, and we're going to examine their business model canvas. So here is Subscription Box business model canvas. From the customer segment, they are targeting busy professionals that are interested in healthy eating. They are targeting fitness enthusiasts that want convenient snacks. They are targeting also new parents looking for time-saving meal options. These are concise, brief, and straight to the point. Now, their value proposition is they promise convenient, portion controlled, healthy meals that are delivered to your doorstep. Also, they promise curated selection of unique healthy snacks to discover. Also, they promise recipes and nutritional information that are included for easy meal planning. So, how do they want to deliver this promise for their customer segment? They intend on delivering in their e-commerce website. That means that they have an e-commerce website whereby you can order for all the promises that they that they promise. Also, they deliver on social media marketing, Instagram and Pinterest. They also use influencer partnership to promote their business. They also involve in content marketing like blog, focus on healthy eating and all of that to ensure that they deliver the value they promise to their customer. Now, how do they maintain customer relationship? They have three methods of maintaining their relationship: online customer support and community forum, referral program to encourage loyalty. And how do they make money? They make money through monthly subscription fees, and also they have tiered subscription option that basic and premium boxes. So they have option to purchase one-off theme box, e.g. like holiday related. Their key resources is suppliers of healthy ingredients and snacks, website and e-commerce platform, recipe developers, food safe packaging and shipping materials. And their key activities is box creation and assembly, website development and maintenance, marketing and content creation. And their key partnership is fitness bloggers and influencers. Nutrition is for recipes, content collaboration, pen spark. So lastly, their cost is ingredient and snacks, packaging cost, shipping, and all of these are what they spend money on. So here is a sample business model canvas for subscription box business. Thank you so much for watching to this. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification icon so that you can see my new videos as they come on.